The wait is finally over. The Hasselblad X3D 150C has arrived, and it is far more than just another camera. This launch represents a new direction for professionals who treat their craft with the reverence of fine art. From the first moment, the X3D 150C projects an aura of purpose and elegance. Its design speaks a language beyond simple utility. This is not a device built for the casual shooter or the mass market. It is a meticulously engineered instrument, crafted for photographers who demand an uncompromising connection between their vision and the final image. With this camera, capturing a photo is elevated. It becomes a creative process filled with intention, precision, and emotion. Holding the Hasselblad X3D 150C feels less like handling electronics and more like holding a finely made Swiss timepiece. Every component, control, and line reflects a mastery of engineering and artistic luxury. Beyond its polished exterior, the X3D 150C embodies a distinct philosophy. It champions the belief that photography should be an immersive, deliberate, and rewarding act. This camera is not about blistering burst rates or gimmicky features. It is about slowing down, encouraging the photographer to pause and appreciate every element, the subtle play of light, the nuance of color, the complexity of form. The X3D 150C invites artists to approach their work with intention, offering a tool that delivers staggering technical perfection and serves as a muse. It manages to be both a clinical instrument of precision and a catalyst for artistic vision, merging Hasselblad's heritage with the needs of the modern professional. The design of the X3D 150C makes it stand out instantly. Its body is crafted from a single, solid block of aluminum alloy. This unibody construction gives it incredible strength and a sleek, refined finish. This approach reflects Hasselblad's iconic Scandinavian design philosophy: minimal, elegant, and practical. Compared with its predecessor, the X3D 150C, this new model features a more comfortable and sculpted grip, giving a deeper, more secure hold. The control layout is a study in simplicity. There are no unnecessary buttons or cluttered menus. Instead, every dial, switch, and curve has been placed with intention, creating a user experience that blends function and luxury. Using the X3D 150C feels as thoughtful as looking at it. The shutter button is soft, with responsive feedback. The control dials move with a smooth, satisfying resistance. Even the top display, presenting clear shooting information, resembles a luxury car's dashboard, adding a touch of elegance. This philosophy extends to the battery system. Instead of a clumsy door, it utilizes a sophisticated magnetic click-in design. It's satisfying to use and keeps the clean lines of the body intact. Every detail works in harmony to make using the camera seamless, intuitive, and enjoyable. At the heart of the X3D 150C is its greatest strength, a groundbreaking 150-megapixel backside illuminated CMOS sensor, co-developed with Sony. Measuring 44 by 33 millimeters, this sensor is about 70% larger than 35 millimeters full-frame sensors. That massive surface area delivers a cascade of benefits, including smoother depth of field control, exceptionally low noise, and stunning color accuracy. The level of detail it captures is extraordinary. Textures, fabrics, skin, and subtle gradations of light are rendered with a clarity that feels utterly lifelike. The 16-bit RAW files can record up to 281 trillion colors, translating into impossibly smooth and natural tonal transitions. Shadows and highlights blend seamlessly, and the overall image possesses a three-dimensional presence rare in digital photography. Color science is another area where Hasselblad shines. Building on the Hasselblad Natural Color Solution HNCS, the camera delivers tones that are consistently neutral and breathtakingly accurate. Skin retains its natural warmth and dimensionality. Reds stay deep, and blues maintain their richness, all without a hint of oversaturation. This high level of consistency, true across drastically different lighting conditions from golden hour sun to studio setups or mixed indoor lighting, gives professionals incredible confidence. It provides a reliable, perfect canvas. For decades, medium-format cameras were known for unparalleled image quality but also for being slow and impractical. The X3D 150C challenges that reputation. Its new phase detection autofocus system, with over 300 focus points, now includes effective eye and face detection for reliable subject tracking. While it won't compete with a top-tier sports camera, it is a monumental leap in performance over previous Hasselblad models. For portraits, studio shoots, and planned outdoor work, the autofocus is now accurate, fast, and dependable. Stabilization is another game-changer. The 5-axis in-body image stabilization offers up to 7 stops of correction. This liberating feature allows photographers to shoot handheld at remarkably slow shutter speeds without sacrificing sharpness, opening a new world of creative options for low-light shooting or when a tripod isn't practical. Usability is enhanced by the large 3.6-inch tilting touchscreen, providing a clear and intuitive interface. Together, these elements strike a new, vital balance between medium format quality and everyday convenience. Practical logistics like battery life and data handling have also been improved. The X3D 150C supports long sessions without frequent battery changes, and its built-in internal SSD significantly speeds up the workflow, letting photographers focus on their creative process. The Hasselblad X3D 150C is more than a technical achievement. It is a true creative companion. Its 150-megapixel sensor, advanced color system, refined ergonomics, and robust build quality combine to set a new standard for medium format. Every aspect, from the feel of the shutter to the colors in the final image, reflects a deep commitment to precision and artistry. For professionals who demand the best, the X3D 150C is more than a tool. It is an experience. It delivers clarity, depth, and color accuracy that redefine what is possible in digital photography. The Hasselblad X3D 150C is a powerful statement, showing what happens when engineering and artistry meet at the highest level. It is a camera designed not only to capture the world, but to inspire the people who use it.